This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm at apartment 1712, a one-bedroom looking out over a sheltered balcony. Wind chill about 0, so I'll stay inside. Turning toward west-facing windows with a ledge for your plants, and looking at an open plan living, dining, kitchen area. Ceilings up at about 9 feet, wide plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. We've got a kitchen with a breakfast bar island, quartz counters, side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the drawer, 4-burner gas range, and a built-in microwave and dishwasher. There's good storage in the island. You have duotone cabinetry with white lacquer look-uppers and brushed espresso-toned lowers. There's a tile backsplash, under cabinet lighting, undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Turning back in toward that living area, you have great sunset views from here. Turning toward the entryway, you have a wide, deep entry, plenty of space for a hall console table and additional furniture. Coat closet, and behind the louver door, full-size stacked washer dryer. Heading toward the bedroom, looking at a programmable thermostat. Bedroom has a wide wall of closets. Window facing out to the west, and space for any size bedding and additional furniture. There's a tandem entry from the bedroom directly into the bath. Marble pane tile on the floor, wide vanity with a vanity with mirror, white tile and a tub surround, and again that entry back out into the living area. Great when you're entertaining. Arkadia West Loop has a hyper-convenient, close-to-everything location, a great suite of amenities, and a wide variety of apartments, all with upscale finishes. Put Arkadia West Loop on your must-see list. Head to Arkadia's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.